UAE just walked out of OPEC after 60 years of membership, and oil prices in India could get cheaper because of this. It's going to be a long video, so stick till the end. So first, what is OPEC? It's an international organization of the world's biggest oil producing countries, which decide how much oil each country will produce, and they control the global oil prices too. Saudi Arabia leads it. Now, why did the UAE leave? Two things. One, UAE has the capacity to produce nearly 5 million oil barrels a day. But under OPEC's quota, UAE was only allowed to produce 3.2 million barrels a day. That's almost half their potential, being unused every single day and leaving billions of dollars on the table just to follow OPEC's rules. And to make it worse, countries like Iraq and Russia were routinely exceeding their own quotas and nobody was stopping them. And this frustration has been building for years now. 2. Iran, being an OPEC member itself, has been attacking UAE shipping in the Strait of Hormuz for weeks now. Being in the same club as the country attacking you just stopped making sense. Now, what does this mean globally? The UAE was only second to Saudi Arabia in spare production capacity, which is the buffer the world uses to stabilize oil prices during a crisis. Without them, that buffer shrinks significantly. So in long term, there will be more oil supply, lower prices, but far more volatile prices during any crisis. Now, as for India, we import 80 to 84% of our crude oil, and UAE is one of our biggest suppliers. If UAE now pumps freely without quota restrictions, this means cheaper crude, lower fuel prices, lower inflation for India. That's the good news. But the bad news is that the Strait of Hormuz is still blocked by Iran. And if it stays blocked, all that extra UAE oil won't reach us anyway. So cheaper oil is in the horizon for India, but we have to get through a very turbulent Middle East first.